let me not flash my tits at you. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Mia. I make things. That's pretty much it. And today is more of the same. I'm just gonna be showing you some like cute little things you can make with air dry clay. And that's it. It's a really quick video. I don't need to ramble too much. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, drop a comment, all that good stuff. And let's get straight into it. Our first projects are some super easy single stem dried flower holders. I did actually buy some nice flowers to put in these, but lockdown number 6 is here and those are nowhere to be seen. So sorry for the lack of aesthetics. We'll start with the easiest project in this video, which is these rectangular holders. All you need to do is warm the air dry clay in your hands, then roll out a slab that's just a bit bigger than you want your flower holder to be. Use a knife to cut around the edges and create a nice and defined square shape, then use a kebab stick or whatever you have on hand to poke some holes for the stems. Leave these to set for a few hours, and once they're solid, get out some acrylic pouring paint in your chosen colours. If you have any spray paint lying around, you can actually use that for an accent colour. Personally, I use gold spray paint. Squirt your pour paints and a dash of spray paint into a little container, then pour that over your flower holders. Once everything's dry, give it a faux glaze with some Mod Podge and you're ready to go. Our next flower holders are equally as simple. All you need to do is roll out a medium thickness slab of clay, then cut a long rectangle out of it. Fold over the clay until the ends meet and create an arch shape by pinching around the bottom to create a base. Make sure that's nice and flat. Poke a hole through the top with a kebab stick and leave everything to dry. Like in project 1, use acrylic pour paints and Mod Podge to finish. For our third option, all you need to do is roll out a thin snake of clay and then attach the ends together to form a loose circle. Shape this however you like. You might want it taller, might want it wider, but once you've got a shape in mind, press the base against your surface to flatten it. Make sure that the base is flat enough to support its weight and then leave it to dry. For these, I just painted them in like light pinks and then sealed everything with Mod Podge. Okay, I've definitely saved the best till last with this video. So for our final 2 projects, we're going to be making these mini shelves that are really cute and kind of boho. I've been using them for the past month to hold little knickknacks and they totally hold up too. So for our art shelf, the first thing to do is roll out a long, decently thick slab of clay, cut this into a long rectangle, then fold it over to create an art shape. Use this as a sizing guide to roll and cut out your base. Score the sides where you want to connect the pieces of clay with a knife, then use slip, which is water and clay mixed together, to adhere them. I also used a jar to hold everything in place while I kind of pinched the clay together on these edges as well. Once I had that shelf set up, I decided to create a little tag where I could attach rope to hold the shelf up. So for this, just roll out a small square of clay and use a kebab stick to create like a decent sized hole. Remember, rope is going to go through this, so make sure that it is big enough for macrame rope. That's what I used. Again, score the connecting pieces of clay, then use slip to connect them. Honestly, the steps for creating the rectangular shelf were exactly the same, except rather tan connecting a kind of roof and base piece of clay, you need to connect the 4 panels. So I'm not going to talk you through it, I'll just show you what I did. Once both of these had set, I painted them in complementing terracotta shades, then used Mod Podge to give them a faux glaze finish. Alright loves, that's this video complete. I hope you enjoyed these projects. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment. And if you want more air dry clay inspo, check out my first video as well. Alright, have a good day. Bye!